Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another tutorial video. So here I will show you how to use the XLookUp function in the Google Spreadsheet. So if you ever watch our another video about the usage of the VLOOKUP, I strongly recommend you to watch that video first to understand more and it will be help you more further to understand the XLOOKUP because this VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP can be the opposite one another. So the first thing that VLOOKUP and how to use that. So in this video I will show you and the principle of this. So when do we use the VLOOKUP? So as you can see here, the task is we would like to know about the group number that being handled by this teacher. As you can see here, the teacher is the references to look for the data or look for the group number that being handled by teacher Annie here. So as you can see here, the teacher's name is also being placed in the first column. So VLOOKUP can be used if the references is being placed in the first column or the first data or the first references among this another data in this table. So we can use the XLOOKUP with the opposite things, such as we would like to know about the group number that being handled by teacher Annie. So the function would be XLOOKUP and give it the open parentheses and the references is the group number. As you can see here, the group number is being placed after the column B, 1, 2, 3. So we will use the XLOOKUP and click this section. The cell that is the references of our test. This being placed in the cell of B18. So B18, comma, and after that the column that contains of the group number list here from the cell of D3 until cell of D9. And don't forget to lock it up with the F4 with your keyboard. And after that, give it a comma and kindly block the data that contains the teacher's name list. It is being placed in the cell of B3 until B9. And after that, you don't need to put the columns number and also you don't have to type the false here to use the XLOOKUP. And then just wrap it up with the close parentheses and enter. This is the how you get the data. Let's say I will show you from the scratch. Let's say I will try to look for the teacher who handled this group number of 138 here. So I will type the equal and XLOOKUP. I will give the double click and I will click this cell of C18 as the references. I'm sorry, B18 as the references and give it a comma. Then I will drag the data that contains the group number list and don't forget to look it up with the F4 with your keyboard and give it a comma again and drag the data from the columns that contains the teacher's names list. It is from the cell of B 3 until B9, and of course look it up again with the F4 and close parentheses and enter. There you go. This is the result of the XLookUp usage. Don't forget to give it a try, guys, and I believe that you can master every single function in the Google Spreadsheet here. So I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests about another tutorial video, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below and put your feedback too, because we need your insight about how do we develop this video and get better in the future. And also don't forget to visit and subscribe our channel to get more another tutorial video. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.